Robot docks but battery stays low, or it keeps leaving the base without charging. That usually points to contact or power flow issues, not a failed unit. With the iRobot Roomba, charging depends on clean metal contacts, a stable dock connection, and a healthy battery path. You might see the light blink briefly and then stop, or the app shows it's not charging even while it's on the base. Dust on the contacts, a slightly misaligned dock, or a loose adapter can break the connection. Sometimes the battery just needs a wake up cycle after being fully drained. Instead of assuming it needs replacement, these are the steps you can try to fix this and get charging working again. 1. Wipe the charging contacts on the Roomba and the dock with a dry cloth. 2. Make sure the dock is plugged in firmly and the outlet has power. 3. Place the Roomba squarely on the dock until it sits flush. 4. Remove debris around the front wheel area that might tilt the unit. 5. Restart the Roomba, hold the clean button for several seconds. 6. Leave it on the dock for a while and check if the charge light stays on.